my favorite golden bowl. Oh no, I dropped my bowl. What should I do? If I could have it again, I would give anything for it.
Princess, is this nearby?
My golden bowl, give me my bowl. Let us live at the palace and be your friend.
Then we will give this back to you.
Okay, I will, I promise.
Here you go.
Your ugly frog can never be my friend.
Wait, you made a promise. These frogs want to meet the princess. My dear daughter, tell us what's happening.
They fetched my golden bowl out of the pond yesterday.
If you make a promise, you must keep your promise. Go and open the door for them.
We are very hungry.
Your Highness, do some bugs or worms?
Brother and mom. Yeah, I can eat with you.
We only have 2 flies here.
How come there are only 2 flies?
Suddenly, I am not hungry. You to eat them. I'm okay. You to eat.
Let's share them.
Ha 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 ha! These frogs know how to share. Yes, they are true friends.
Whatever, I don't care.
Let's play together.
Princess, let's play with your golden bowl. No, it's my favorite top.
Friends should know how to share.
Alright.
Ha ha ha!
I dropped the bowl into the deep pond. Princess, how come you dropped the bowl into the pond again? Who will go into the pond and get in?
I will. Let's all go together.
Please don't ever come back.
Are the frogs gone?
I think so. That I hope that they will go away, but I am not happy now. I don't know why.
I think I know why. Please think harder.
I don't know. You are back!
We are sorry that it took so long.
It was really hard to find the bowl.
It was dangerous and we almost died.
But we are all okay. You didn't have to do that.
You're our friend.
You're selfish, but we are our friend. I dropped the bowl to get you away from me.
We know.
Then why did you get the word from me?
As we always told you, you are our friend.
A very selfish friend. I am very sorry. Please forgive me. Oh my, what happened?
Thank you, princess.
We're enchanted by a bad fairy.
Only through friendship with a human being could save us.
Now I know the true meaning of friendship.